Welcome to Luke Knows Minecraft. My name is Luke, and today I'll be setting up a Minecraft server that you'll be able to play on with your friends and family as we're all stuck at home during this virus. Whether you're wanting to play with friends or create custom game modes, server offer things that you cannot achieve normally with a regular world. So let's begin. The first step is to choose a server host. This will be the company that hosts the actual files of your server, so it's important to choose a good one. I reviewed several great options in the past, but for this video I'll be using Shockbyte. If you'd like to follow along with me during the setup process, you can follow the link in the description to be redirected to Shockbyte's website. Please note, links in the description are affiliate links. I receive a commission when you purchase a server through one of my links, with no additional cost to you. Step 2 is to actually go through the process of purchasing a server from your chosen host. I'll be walking you through every step. Navigate to the host you'll be using. Like I said previously, I'll be using Shockbyte for this tutorial, but feel free to use whatever host you prefer. I have listed several great options in the description. Some might have a slightly different setup process, but overall they should all be similar enough to follow along. Choose a plan you would like to purchase and click Add to Cart. Choose the billing cycle you would like to pay by and any additional add-ons. Click Continue. Enter a promo code if you have one and click Checkout. Here is where you'll enter all your personal and billing information, as well as your choice of payment option. For this tutorial I'll be using my account credit, but you will most likely be using PayPal. Read and accept the terms of service. After that you'll be redirected to a page to complete your payment. Since I'm using my account credit, I will not need to enter any payment information. Next, log into the billing area with the email address and password you used when signing up for the service. Click Services, and then your newly purchased server. Here you'll see information about your service. This is not related to any in-game settings, they are all set in the server panel. To access the server panel, click the Multicraft button. You'll be asked to sign into Multicraft. Please note, your password for Multicraft may differ from the one used to sign into your building panel, but the email address should be the same. Now that you're logged in Multicraft, you should get familiar with it. This is where you'll be spending most of your time controlling your server. I'm going to edit the server name and the world name. Note, this name is only the name you'll see on Multicraft. It will not be shown publicly. Copy the server address shown, being careful to include all of it. After that, you can click Start/Restart depending on if your server is automatically started up. Now that we have successfully logged into Multicraft and started the server, we can start up Minecraft and actually log on to the server. Open Minecraft and choose Multiplayer. Click New Server. You can now enter a name. Note, this name is only for your own purpose. It will not be visible to other players. After clicking Done, you can double-click on the newly created server listing. Congratulations, you have now successfully created your very own Minecraft server. You can now share this IP with all your friends and play together. There's still a lot we can do to the server to make it truly unique. Next time we'll be editing server properties and adjusting basic settings. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more Minecraft server tutorials.